Hey, gang. This is, oh, most people won't need it, but mechanics or a person that just works on cars, or if they have a lot of cars like me, they should have this fuse kit. I was going to buy, an assortment of about six fuses, some 5 amp, 10 amp, 15 and 20 amp. Just to have the models on ridiculous, $8, whatever. So I figured, oh, let me just look on eBay. Their stuff's a lot cheaper, and I did. And for $3, only $3.99, man, with free shipping on eBay, I ordered these fuses. It's got your this is the underside of it. It's got your mini fuses and your standard size fuses. See, it shows you a picture on Braun of what you get in the kit. Okay, and it tells you how many pieces, of each, that there is there. I mean, this is really beautiful. It's got little snaps here to where you can open it. And unlike most of these packages, it pops open easy. Click, click. You open the lid, and when you see in this, isn't this great? Wow. It's got all these fuses in here. And see, the red or the 10 now, it's got the mini fuse and the standard size blade type fuses. I mean, it tells how many of them you get. See, each one you get like 23 fuses, or whatever. See, and it's got these little compartments in it right here. Man, I'll tell you what, this is beautiful. This is friggin' beautiful. Let me see what the brand name is on here. No, I don't see a brand, but they're good, and it even has a little fuse puller right there inside there that you can use. I just use needle nose pliers on those myself, but yeah, a little fuse puller will come in handy. But isn't that beautiful? Classic. And you get all the fuses, I'm nearly 70. I will probably never have to go look for a fuse or buy a damn fuse again for as long as I live. If I need anything pertaining to electrical, it might be your large square fuses you have in your junction box, and then you have your relays, of course. I might need something like that, but man, this is beautiful. And they even gave you a little thing here to where you can hang it on a nail, in your shop or in your garage. Isn't that beautiful? And I loved it. I friggin' loved it, man. But man, imagine that. Only $3, only $3.99. And that's pretty damn good, man. Oh well, but anyway, the day's going great. I opened a can of Spam. Oh, it was earlier this morning. Oh, it's about 4 in the afternoon now. I opened a can of Spam. And me and Mother Panther, we ate that whole can of Spam. Oh man, that is so cool. I just peeled the lid off of it. And I use this fork right here. I use the side just to slice pieces out of it. Between me and Mother Panther Cat, we ate that whole can of Spam. It was pretty good. And right now we're both drinking cold milk right now. Oh boy. Cold milk. Yes, yes, yes. Um, Oh, that's good for hydrating your body too. 'Cause that's not only got all the proteins, the vitamins in it, but it's also water too. It's very good for you. I wish I'd had a brand name on it because, man, I'd like to see other people order those. Those people deserve to be able to sell as many of those as they can. My God. Because, I'm telling you what, I was looking at AutoZone the other day because I thought I might need another 10 out mini fuse because I'm waiting for my lighting control module to come in for my Lincoln. And when I shut it off, when I go somewhere, I have to pull out a 10 out fuse that goes to the LCM so the lights don't fail. And I'm thinking, man, that fuse might blow putting it in and out, too many times. Well, now I've got plenty of them. I don't have to worry about that. But man, AutoZone, just for a handful of about six fuses, they want $8. Man, I got 168 fuses right there, for $3.99. Man, that's great. Oh wow. Oh man, I am tired. Yeah, I'm fixing to go ahead and take another nap. Tired. Tired, tired, tired. I need to get my beauty sleep. But anyway, I love you all if you do good. And thank you, Almighty God. The cats are well fed. They're doing great. The little baby cats are doing okay. And I am blessed, Almighty God. And I love you, Almighty God. I love you, Jesus Christ. Thank you. Well, later, later. Da, 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 da.